Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video we are talking about the ReLock timer. This feature has been around for a number of years and is seen across Toyota's lineup. It is a safety and convenience feature for drivers. Let's get started. First things first, no, Toyotas do not automatically lock the doors once you exit the vehicle. I get asked often if that's what the ReLock timer is for. Instead, the purpose of the timer is to lock the vehicle again if it is presumed to have been accidentally unlocked. For example, I've done this before where I'm walking away after parking my vehicle and I hit my unlock button while shoving all my stuff into my purse. In this case, the vehicle will relock all the doors for me after a certain time period if none of the doors have been opened. I am demonstrating this on a 2022 RAV4 LE. Click Menu, then Setup. Scroll down the left side and find Vehicle. Click this. Now hit Vehicle Customization, then press Door Lock Settings. I've gone through these settings in a separate video, so I'll link that below. Let's focus on the ReLock timer. Click on this. The time options will appear below. The default time tends to be 60 seconds, but you can adjust that to be longer or shorter. If you do not like the ReLock timer, you may turn it off completely as well. For example, if you unlock your vehicle from inside the house to go grab something from it, sometimes by the time you get to the vehicle, it will be locked again. So if this sounds like something you do, maybe off is a good place to be. After making your adjustment, you can go back home and it will save for you. And that is all for operating and adjusting your ReLock timer. I hope this helps you get familiar with this feature if you weren't already. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.